Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can earn more stars on Roblox Dress to Impress. So the voting system is kind of mid, honestly. But maybe if you're in Masters, like you're able to go to Master server, it is more fair. If you want more stars to get like items and stuff like that, you can play farming servers. Just join the Dress to Impress Discord, go to a farming server and select one right now. Then you're going to select open and it's going to bring you to Dress to Impress Roblox. But you can just wear anything you want and you'll be able to farm stars. But if you want just to play the game regularly, you can absolutely do that. But the voting system is not it. So it's up to you though. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.